Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Maserati Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your manual mode in your 2017 Maserati Ghibli. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do is we're going to go to drive first, press on the brake to shift on the gear. And we're going to go to drive, and once we get to drive, we're going to click on the M mode right here next to the traction control. We're going to do click on it, and the light should illuminate right there that the manual mode is on, and the shifter switches from drive to manual mode. So let me demonstrate that again, just like that. And basically, manual mode is for if you want to drive your car a little bit more sportier and you want to shift your gears manually. This is for you. And if you would like to switch from manual to drive again, what you're gonna do is just click on the M mode, and it's gonna go back to drive. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Maserati Acura, and thank you guys for watching.